In this video, we're going to practice pronouncing the W sound, W. The W sound is usually spelled with a W, like we, or a WH, where. It can also be spelled with a QU, like the word question. Here that question has a very small k sound before the w. K, w, k. Question, question. The w sound is called a glide because your mouth glides or easily moves into a new position for the next sound in the word. Watch how my mouth glides when I say these two words. Warm, warm, world, world. To make the w sound, your lips are in a small circle and the back of your tongue goes up a little. The end of your tongue is behind your bottom teeth. Try it with me. Ooh, ooh. Now try the glide. Wa, wa, wa. Let's practice pronouncing words that start with the w sound. Repeat after me. Weather, water, world, what, which, queen, quiet, quick. Here are words with the w in the middle of the word. Away, fewer, vowel, shower. Now let's try some words that end with w. How, no, low, blue. Great job! Continue practicing and it will become easy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.